There's two reasons that you have bad data, and every company has bad data. It's a breakdown of process and or it's a breakdown of execution of that process.
Mm-hmm.
So let me
Okay.
expand on that. Let's say, for example, that we pull a pipeline report, and this is very common. And we say, hey, Mr. or Ms. VP of Sales, CRO, your close rate is 5%. I say, wow, that sounds really low. I don't think our close rate's 5%. Like, I know what's going on there. We've got our sales reps that are just throwing deals in there. They're not really qualified. When I look at the deals, we're actually closing about like 1 out of every 4, 1 out of every 5 deals. I can see it. I'm in those deals.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, what that tells me is that we are not building a scalable, repeatable engine here. And you're coaching reps on a deal by deal basis, which is great. But what they're doing is they're taking deals and throwing that into the pipeline, and then they're probably wasting a lot of time chasing those deals. And so we're actually losing in multiple ways. We're losing sales time chasing deals that aren't going to close.